Hey guys, it's me, and I haven't done a video for ages, but I will. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes I made. And please like and subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want more videos like this, and please, I have three people I want to shout out. Amia, the runner, Tame Davies, and Sean Sharp Topic. Savannah, that's her. She's my bestie. Please go follow her. Subscribe to her. She's the best. And the other two are just people I know. So, yeah. So let's just get started on the video. Yo! So first one I have is this yuck colour. It's very disgusting, but oh well. Yeah. Very nice. Not a nice colour though. I just want to get into the next one. Next one is this blue one. I love this one. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah. Look at that beautiful. Oh, it's so thick. Like, it just wants to break. So, yeah. Well, there's two more left. I know there's not many because I didn't want to make a big video. I made this yellow one. I'm going to name this Toxic Pineapple because it reminds me of pineapples. If you don't know how to make slime, look it up. Sorry, I'm very... And if you want me to do... Oh my god, my bun is terrible. But you want me to do, like, gaming videos, like on Fortnite, I do other things like Roblox and stuff. I know it sounds really boring. But I'll do Call of Duty and stuff like that because I love Call of Duty. I'm like the best. No offense. So yeah. And last one I actually made without glue. Best one. It's like it's clip. It's very sticky. It wasn't as sticky before. It's probably melting. Yeah, it's melting. Seriously. I kept this one for like 5 days and it's like not now it's melting. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. But that was it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Felicia!